Welcome to our channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Hope you liked the previous video. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's start a new video in the name of this holy person who is in possession. As we know, everyone likes beauty. As you all know that women have a crazy desire to look beautiful. But nowadays this practice has become common among men too. So our topic today is also beauty. First of all, we are talking about what people do to stay beautiful. 1. People first choose a parlor over a good one. 2. Then he chooses a set of products according to his needs. 3. They devote a large amount of money slowly to being beautiful. But these people do not know that by doing this, not only their money is wasted, but also their skin is damaged. Instead of this approach, you should have to come to home Remedies. Because the food we consume in our kitchen is very useful. You just need to take some time out. By using few things, you can increase your beauty. And you need all this requires only a small amount of money. Here we will mention some things, by using which you will forget parlor soon. 1. Turmeric is present in every home. Mixing a tablespoon of yogurt with a pinch of turmeric and massaging it for 5 to 10 minutes will remove the blackheads. You can repeat the process 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Applying 1 tablespoon of coffee and half tablespoon of yogurt to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, and fine lines. 3. Besides, you can also use honey. Add 1 banana and mix together to form a paste. Let it sit till it dries. Use 2 to 3 times a week for anti-aging. All in all, there are still plenty of remedies left to share with you. I hope you will like this remedy. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel Zaib Home and Beauty to get more videos. Be sure to tell us in the comments on which topic you want our video to be posted. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.